Like that, we have some baggy shorts. What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing another pair of baggy shorts from scratch. So I have this pink fabric. It's like a flannel fabric, and my wife has been asking me to make her some shorts because she loves the shorts that I made in the past. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna make my wife some shorts. I'm gonna use my shorts that I made before as a template. And then I also did get some waistband elastic, some scissors, sewing machine we're gonna need, and pretty much our creativity. Let's get it, let's go. So to start, we are going to lay our fabric flat, and we are gonna need to cut out 4 panels total. So we're gonna need our two front panels, 2 back panels, and then we're also going to add some pockets in. So we'll have to cut that as well. Fabric flat, then we are gonna take our shorts, or if you have a pattern, you're gonna lay that flat. But what I did to make these shorts was just grab another pair of shorts that I had to use that as a stencil. And ever since, I've been liking all of my baggy shorts. We're just gonna try to lay this as flat as can be. I'm gonna need to pull this down just because we're gonna need to add some extra length up at the top for the waistband. This is looking perfect. Then we're just gonna take our scissors and cut this out. Did get some new scissors finally. So boom, we got our first panel cut out. Now we're just gonna use this as a guide for the rest of our fabric panels. So this is either gonna be the back or the front. It doesn't even matter. We're just gonna cut out 3 different panels. So now we got our 2 front panels cut out. Now our next thing that we are going to do, we're gonna cut our 2 back panels. So we're gonna pull our fabric flat. You can either use your pattern that you had, or you can just use the same exact pieces that you just cut out. For this one, I'm gonna use the same exact piece. And for this time, for one of the panels, we are gonna put wrong side on top of right side facing. So boom, here is one of our back panels. Now we're gonna take the piece that we just cut and we're going to mirror it. So placing right sides facing each other back on the fabric. We have our 2 back panels, and then we have our 2 front panels. We're almost done. Now we're just gonna cut the pockets. The way that I cut the pockets is just kind of eyeballing it. But if you have a pocket pattern, go ahead. Or we're just gonna come over to the fabric. And basically for our pockets, there is a straight edge, and then it just kind of loops into like this oven mitt kind of deal. So I am just gonna use this, and I'm just going to cut a weird shape. I'm not sure how to explain it. This is how I just measure my hand. So it looks something like this. And now I'm gonna cut this out 3 more times. All right, now that we got everything cut out, we have 4 pocket pieces. So we have 2 panels for the left pocket, 2 panels for the right pocket. And then we have 4 panels total for our shorts. So we have 2 panels for the front and 2 panels for the back. Now we can start putting everything together. We're just going to take the front of the back panels. I'm gonna lay these out, and we are gonna line them up. So right sides facing each other. Once we have these lined up, we are just going to sew the 2 panels together by sewing from the top waistband all the way down to our crotch part. Do a simple straight stitch, and then we're gonna follow it up with a zigzag stitch just to lock it in. Or if you have a serger, you can serge these edges together. So we got our pieces sewn together. If we just open them, we will then have 1 panel. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing to the 2 back pieces. Now before we even connect these, we need to find our pocket placement for our pockets. Now on the last shorts that I made, those camel shorts, I added pockets, but they were a little too low. So this one, I need to keep in mind that I need to bring the pockets a couple of inches up. So we're gonna lay these two panels flat, right sides facing each other. Take our pockets and we are going to put, again, right sides facing each other. So we're gonna open this side up and figure out which is the right side. It's starting to get hard of what is the right side, and I'm going to clip this so then I can lay my top fabric back down and line up the pockets like this. And we're going to clip, and we're going to do the same exact thing for the other side. Now that we have this all clipped up, now what we're going to do, we're going to go in each panel and we are going to attach the pockets. So just, again, a single straight stitch here on all 4 of the panels. Also, while I'm here, I'm going to use this time just to cut any excess fabric, threads, or anything like that. Now that we got all the pockets sewn onto each side, we are going to sew everything together. Now, like everything else, we're going to put right sides facing each other. Just make everything line up nice and pretty. And on one side, we can even clip this together if needed. We want this stuff to line up. Sew the sides or the back and front panels together. So from starting up at the waist, we're gonna sew all the way down to the top of the pocket. Then we're gonna sew around the pocket and all the way down to the bottom of the shorts. All right, so we got the pieces all put together. Now we can flip it right side out and we're almost done. We just need to add the waistband and clean up the bottom edges and sew here. So what we're going to do first, line up the crotch, going to pin or clip, and we're gonna sew. Oh goodness. It's supposed to be right sides facing each other, y'all. I just sewed it wrong. So now I gotta seam rip this and we're gonna try that again. Why did y'all tell me? Now that we got that all sewn together and situated, now we can flip this right side out. Now what we are going to do, we're gonna plug our iron in. We are going to hem the bottom just to make it a clean, nice cut on both sides. And then we're also going to hem and attach the waistband. All right, y'all, now we are ready to add the waist elastic band. We're gonna sew this waistband together. And we're gonna sew all the way around, making sure that we're not sewing the actual elastic. And just like that, we have some baggy shorts. Let me try them on. These came out super, super fire. You guys gotta let me know how I did down below. Let me know down below how I did on the baggy shorts. Make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next. As always, make sure to stay positive. And of course, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the sun shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.